channel. This is the Working Home Boss, and I'm back with another job opportunity. So this job opportunity is with the company iCore. iCore is actually a company that I worked for long years ago when they were formerly known as IRT, and I worked there on the Money Mutual account. I don't know if you guys remember the Money Mutual commercials with I believe his name was Montel Williams. He did those commercials. It was like a loan servicing company. You would call in, I would take your information, and I would match you with the lender if you could be matched with the lender to get a payday loan. So that's the company that I work for. That was one of the most easiest accounts. Well, one of the easiest accounts that I have ever worked for. So it was with Money Mutual. So I don't believe that they that they offer those services. I don't even know if it's still in business, but it's been a while ago, okay? A long while. So they actually changed their name and they also moved locations, I believe from Lauderhill, Florida to Pompano, Florida. So that's where they're located. And so they do offer work from home positions. So the work from home position that they're hiring for is a work at home customer service representative. So for this position, if you live in any of the following states, then you are able to apply for this position. So it's Alabama, Arizona, Florida, Georgia, India, Kansas, Michigan, Mississippi, Missouri, North Carolina, Nevada, Ohio, Oklahoma, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, and West Virginia. Okay, so if you work in those states, then you definitely can apply for this position. So this position, you are answering inbound calls and greet the customers with energy and enthusiasm. You will place outbound calls and communicate with energy and enthusiasm to the customers. You will build a lasting relationship with clients, customers, and other call center team members based on trust and reliability. You understand and strive to meet or exceed call center metrics while providing excellent and consistent customer service. You meet department productivity and quality standards. You strive for first call resolution and take true ownership of customer needs and issues, communicate and follow instructions for one call customer resolution, deliver amazing customer service through effective and timely resolution of various customer inquiries and concerns, and you take an active role in educating customers about their clients, product, and services. All right. So some of these skill requirements, you will need 1 year of solid experience in customer service, in transaction-based environments such as call center or retail location, demonstrating ability to be empathetic and compassionate is preferred. You must have the ability to work independently and in a team environment. You will need problem-solving skills. You will need the ability to maintain accuracy and production standards. Physical attendance is key to be successful in this position, and you will need to have flexibility to work any shift, and that includes nights and especially weekends. Okay, you will need a high school diploma or equivalent, and computer literacy and typing skills of at least 25 words per minute. So your work at home office should be quiet, secure, distraction free for the duration of the working hours. You will need a landline is not required. Internet wireless is not permitted. It must be hardwired. So your internet minimum of 25 megabytes per second download and 10 upload. Direct connection from modem to PC is required. So you will need an Ethernet cord. Okay. So laptop or desktop, Apple, Mac, or Chromebook is not permitted. It needs to be Windows 10, the CPU minimum dual core 1.5 gigahertz or Intel I-class or AMD Phenom X2 class or better. You will need 4 gigabytes of RAM, 20 gigabytes of hard drive available space. Ports on the PC, a minimum of one USB and Ethernet port, wired or wireless mouse is recommended, 2 monitors and a webcam, and a wired headset with noise canceling feature. All right. So these are the requirements to work this position. So if you're interested, I'll go ahead and link it down in the description. So they do not have the pay listed for this position, but I did look it up on Glassdoor, and the pay is between 26K. I'm sorry, it's between 17K and 26K. So the minimum of 17 and the max of 26. Okay. So if you're interested in this work from home position, I'll link it in the description below. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a job opportunity. And boss is out.